In this video, I'll be demonstrating the process of safely raising a Porsche 944 and placing it on jack stands for routine maintenance. When repairing or restoring your 944, there's a fair amount of maintenance that will require the car to be raised off of the ground, and it's important to do so safely. Before you begin jacking up the car for repairs, ensure that the wheels are properly chocked and that the car is on a level surface whenever possible. The parking brake can also be set to prevent the car from rolling, but just bear in mind that this will only prevent the rear wheels from turning. With the wheel chocks in place, one side of the car can now be lifted using a floor jack at the reinforced center point marked by the diamond-shaped indent at the base of the rocker panel. If your floor jack features a metal lifting platform, a small piece of wood, or a hockey puck can be used to cushion the weight and protect the undercoating of the car. Once the car is raised on one side to the desired height, place a set of jack stands under the front and rear jack points on that side of the car. Safe jack stand locations at the front of the car include the inner support members or the frame rails, the aluminum front cross member, or the front inner control arm joints. Jack stand locations at the rear of the car include the rectangular reinforced supports at the back of the rocker panel just in front of the rear wheel wells, the inner pivot points for the rear trailing arms, and the tubular mounts on the ends of the torsion bar. As a further point of reference, the location of the jack stand safe points are marked by the blue dots on this undercarriage diagram. You may also notice a number of circular pucks located along the front and rear sides of the undercarriage that resemble jack points, but these are not reinforced and should not be used to raise or support the weight of the car. These metal pucks were actually used to guide the chassis along the assembly line during production at the Porsche factory, and when they're used as jack points, they're widely known to collapse over time, causing damage to the floor pan and the base of the fenders. With the jack stands in place, you can now slowly lower the car into position on the stands, checking to ensure that they are properly positioned as the car is being lowered. If the alignment looks off, it's a good idea to lock the floor jack and reposition the stands as needed. This will ensure a safe and stable platform for the car as it comes to rest on the stands. Go slowly here and use some caution, putting your personal safety above all else while performing work on the car. And once the car is firmly seated on the jack stands, the floor jack can be lowered the rest of the way down and the process repeated on the other side of the car. When you've completed the required maintenance on your car and it's time to remove the jack stands, we'll again raise the car using the jacking point at the center of the rocker panel. And now the weight of the car is removed from the jack stands, they can be pulled out from under the vehicle, and that side of the car slowly lowered to the ground. Use some caution here as well, because if the car is lowered too quickly, it may become dislodged from the jack stands on the other side, causing injury to yourself or damage to the car. And with one side of the car back on the ground, the process can be repeated on the other side. It's worth mentioning that if you're only working on the front or the rear of the car and you'd prefer not to raise the entire vehicle, you can raise just the front of the car by placing the floor jack under the aluminum cross member, and you can lift just the rear of the car by placing a floor jack on the transaxle case. Well, that concludes the overview on how to properly jack and support your Porsche 944 for service. Be safe and good luck with your repairs.